Hi students, I'm going to go over how to log into the textbook if you missed class today with these directions. And the first thing that we're going to do is log in through Clever. And so Clever is an extension of Chrome, so you should see it right up here next to your URL bar. And you're going to click on the C for Clever. If for some reason you do not have this Clever button, you can simply put in clever.com and then you're going to be able to search for your school district so that it comes up with this screen here, School District U46. And then we're going to log in with Google. Now, if for some reason you cannot log in with Google and it asks you for a username and password, right here it tells you what username and password you have to have. So it is your student Gmail account. So that would be your first initial and your last name with your ID number. And then your password is your birthday, your 8-digit birthday, plus capital M-E-L in front of it. So M-E-L and then your 8-digit birthday. But I think that everybody should be able to log in with Clever. And if for some reason, with Google, excuse me, and if for some reason you can't, then let me know so that we can get it figured out. So I'm going to log in with Google and it's going to take me into Clever. And when we get here, up at the top, I already have added my favorites into Clever. So the things that I use the most are going to be up here at the top, and I simply have them up here at the top by clicking on the heart to make them a favorite. So if it's not up here, which is probably not, you're going to scroll down and you're going to find McGraw-Hill, and I'm going to go ahead and put a heart on it so it ends up back here at the top for me. And then I'm just going to click on McGraw-Hill and it's going to log me into the textbook. Now, my textbook screen is going to look a little bit different than yours because I also have a teacher edition. You will only have the student edition. So you're going to click on the title, Discovering Our Past, A History of the United States, Early Years, 2018. And as you click on that, then it's going to take us into the textbook. We are going to search for the information that we're looking for using the table of contents. And here, the table of contents is a drop-down menu. So you're going to click on the top arrow here, and you're going to go to the chapter that we're working on. And we happen to start on chapter 3. So I'm going to click on 3, Colonial America. And then I'm going to click on the next drop down and choose the lesson that we're going to be working on. I'm actually going to click on the chapter opener, and then I'm going to click go. So it's going to take us to the chapter opener here, and it's going to give a little bit of information about what's happening here in this chapter. And then also notice that up here at the top, you have those same choices that you did on that drop-down menu. So place and time is the next one there. So this is going to give us a map, usually to show us where it is that we're talking about and what is our topic, and that's land claims during colonial America. And then down here at the bottom, you're going to see a timeline of America's events versus some world events of that same time period. And then again, up here at the top, we're going to see our lesson 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then activities and assessment. So you're going to click on lesson 1. And then it's going to take us to the text. So you also have the option to change your size of the text here from very small to a little bit bigger to a little bit bigger. So I'm going to leave it on that largest size there. And then you're just going to go ahead and read the text. However, if you prefer that the text read to you, you can do that too. So you're going to click on this little headphone icon, and then up is going to pop the screen that is going to read to you. So it's going to read all of the information to you, starting with these words, lesson 1, Roanoke and Jamestown, and then it's going to continue throughout. Then when you get down to the bottom, when it's done reading or when you're done reading, you'll click on the 2 to take you to the next page. And you'll again have that box up here at the top to click play for the textbook to read to you if you want it to read to you. And then there's some lesson resources over here on the right-hand side. Lots of them are pictures with some information to go along with it. Sometimes short videos, so you just click on the play button and it'll play that video for you. So this is how we're going to use our textbook. We're going to start getting information sometime this week. And so I wanted to make sure that everybody was able to log in to our textbook, especially through Clever is the easiest way to get to it. So if you have any questions, please let me know, and we will be using the textbook soon. Have a great day.